Usambut Menteri Rangba bakmi eka kampo yeng ba Prestone tensong hakasingin kong ula pentep baka Sorkar kala Pyrshang bun kilat ban Pynbeit eka kam eka jiaput haba penyadun bantalang yakinong yalam shnong. Haba Jubab eka call attention motion hapo kayeng dorbar tauan halor ka rai jong ka mukro ban boycott eka election KHEDC badang shudam uba Prestone ula ong ba Khubor district ka West Giant Hills kentup kitanat Sorkar kila tray klem shong thad ban pentik na eka jing shong suk shong shgan hagatan.
Mr. Speaker, sir, at the outset, I take this opportunity to thank the Honourable Member of the Secretariat House, Shri Nujos Kisungo, MLA from Mukayao constituency, for tabling this calling attention motion under Rule 54 Sub 1 clause of the Procedure and Conduct Business under the caption Bomla Eda Nakajingle Donbosco Assam on boycott Kamuk Ro Yaka election MDC. Sir, on the 10th January 2025, the headman and secretary of Mukro village submitted a petition to the Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills District stating that the village robber in a meeting held on the 9th January 2025 had decided to boycott the MDC elections 2025. Mr. Speaker, sir, upon receiving the petition, the Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills took immediate action and convened a meeting on the 17th February 2025 in Mukro village with representative of the community. During the meeting, the current status of the border settlement process was explained and assurances were given that the district administration and police are making every effort to safeguard the safety and security of the border residents. Sir, the Superintendent of Police with Giant Hills has also been closely monitoring the situation. A DCSP level border meeting was held on 31st January 2025 and also 14 February 2025. During both the meeting, detailed discussions conducted on the overall security of the Meghalaya-Assam border with the Assam authorities assuring their cooperation in maintaining peace and order. The district administration of West Giant Hills, including the police department, are working tirelessly towards ensuring peace and tranquility prevails in the area. Their timely intervention in most of the disputes has undoubtedly prevented further escalation of the situation. Sir, as a result of this effort, the residents of Mukro village reconsidered their decision and agreed to participate in the elections. The campaigning process was conducted smoothly and the situation is being closely monitored to ensure continued peace and security in the area. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am pleased to inform the members of this August House that the general elections to the Giant Hills Autonomous District Council, which was held on the 21st February 2024, the percentage of voter turnout from 12 Baratu Mukro constituency was 84.63%. Sir, this figure speaks highly of the efforts that have been undertaken to ensure that people residing along the interstate border exercise their rights to vote. Furthermore, several efforts have been made to resolve the border disputes involving both the state governments and community leaders. Government of the day has also sanctioned quite a number of border outposts throughout the state. In addition to this, the government of the day had also sanctioned 9 new police outposts in the state to resolve the dispute issues when it arises. Sir, the government remains committed to protecting the rights and security for the border residents, and necessary steps will continue to be taken to address their concern. Sir, as also mentioned by the Honourable local MLA from Mukayao, the issues for developmental programs, yes sir, government has already noted down those issues raised by the honourable member, and also relating to the ongoing regional committee of both the states for the second phase discussion and dialogue. I am very sure in the second phase of the discussion, the dialogue, which is to be made both sides of the states from Meghalaya as well as from Assam, we will be able to resolve these long pending issues, and we will be able, I am very sure, to resolve it permanently. So, sir, we are committed to make sure that the interstate boundary and the villages which is nearby these interstate boundaries will be able to properly and peacefully earn their livelihood as well as do their actual duties as required from day to day. So, sir, I would once again like to thank the honourable member of this August House, Shri Nujos Singh Kesungo of Macau constituency for tabling this call attention motion under the prescribed rules. With this clarification, sir, I resume my seat.
Thank you. But Nujoki Sungo, MLA, you may seek one clarification.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity again. So thank you to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, for the extensive reply that has been given. But there's one more point, sir, that I would like to request upon the government. Because till now, as we all aware, that the border, the discussion between the two states is going on, between Assam, the regional committee, between Assam and Meghalaya, it is still going on. But on the contrary, sir, from the Assam side, there's one new construction that is going on. And it's just along the roadside, sir, just maybe around 5 to 6 kilometers away from Mukro. So while the discussion is still going on, we would like to urge upon the government, sir, to kindly initiate through the district administration or directly through the chief secretary level to kindly request the Assam government to stop immediately the construction that they are undertaking now in Mukro village in a locality named Salang, sir. So this is going on as of now, sir. I have a video with me. So this is one very important point, sir, that I would like to request upon the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, to kindly urge the Assam government to stop the construction that is going on in Salang locality of Mukro village, sir.
Sir, point noted. And in fact, as per the decision taken between both the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Chief Minister of Assam, in case of any dispute arises, be it in the implementation of developmental activities, programs, this and that, both the parties will have to sit down in the level of Chief Secretary and also up to the level of the Deputy Commissioner and SP level. So that these committees will truly sit down across the table and work out for solution so that the kind of differences does not exist in these areas.